Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to recommendation system in Python part 4, and today we are going to explain or explore grouping item clustering. We know that up to now we have discussed the similarities on the basis of item-based collaborating filtering and user-based collaborating filtering, where we just find the similarity where we just find the similarities, different similarity of different person against single item, or it could be a single person. But for example, for some secret reason, my intention this time is to find the groups. So for this reason, we are going to explore the clustering. So on the basis of clustering, we are going to find the groups of inside the data by inciting it. So let's question the answer. Let's question the answer. No, let's answer the question why we need why we need clustering. Why we need clustering. So if you look at the data, there are if you look at the data, why we need clustering? We need clustering because the data is unlabeled, that are in the raw form, where there is no need to train the algorithm against testing data, or when the classes are undefined or unlabeled, or why data is unlabeled, or when the group of classes are more than 2, or it could be to any number, limit to any number of classes. So in this type of scenario, we prefer to apply clustering on the data, where we can find the pattern in it and find the groups. So here you can see as example, the items inside this group are close to each other, closely related or similar to each other, and some nature behind this than this, and they are also closely related to each other as compared other than this. And same scenario for these item inside this group and inside these groups. So let's see how can we take this clustering concept to another scenario. You can automatically you can use the clustering algorithm to detect the group automatically of customer with a similar buying patterns. And next example is where maybe you are interested to find the similar age in similar age in income, people dressing style. For example, if you are interested to find the similarity or find the groups of similar age and income, you can see that dressing sense of 25-year-old person is quite different than the dressing sense of 35 for both case of male and female. So you can also use this in fashion scenario where you want to find the interest, or maybe it could be for the business purposes. Another example you can implement the scenario, and you can implement clustering mechanism, is biocomputational technology, where you can just find the groups of genes and similar that exhibit the similar behavior. Well, it's not necessary to say, but I will share it. Bioinformatics is my future area. I will do work in this area because I like it. Okay, next we will explore the topic where we apply the clustering blogs. We will extract some blogs, about 98 or 100 blogs, and we'll where different people discuss different things, and we will try to cluster them and group them under clustering algorithm. So this discussion includes, so we need to parse the data. I will show you how to parse the data from different links, and what are the important entities where important information lies, and you can extract and use for own purpose. And next we will apply two algorithms, that is hierarchical clustering algorithm and k-mean. I will mention why and which one is better in the given scenario. So next is graphical visualization code, where I will graphically show you the hierarchical clustering by graphically building a dendrogram. Okay, so let's jump into the code. Here we go. We are in the portion of implementation. So the first thing that we will need in the first section, we will just implement. We will try to do some basic stuff where we will extract the information from different blocks by using how to parse it, and by how to and then we will unique word frequency will be extracted, and we will just save with ourselves. So this is the all pre-processing thing in for the next implementation of mechanism, where we say algorithm. Our algorithm that we are going to implement is hierarchical clustering. Okay. So all pre-processing related function will be just put together in the same class, because I don't want mess here. So let's create a class. Okay, class pre-processing. Let's call it pre-process. Okay, it sounds good. All right. Okay, what we will do in the first function, this will read the links from file. Oh yeah, diff read links from file, self, and location. Okay, let's name it easy, address, right? Okay, then line. So we need to open the file. Here we will be put the address, and what do you want to do with this address? And that is, I'm sorry, there's something wrong. That is not writing, it's reading. Okay, so links equals to lines dot read. Yeah, we read it and then split it by /n, because here you can clearly see the only way that you can differentiate one links from other links is new line. So that's why we just put /n for. Okay, let's return links. Okay, let's create object of this class pre-processing. All right, obj dot no, yeah, feed list dot txt. Is it returning something? Yeah, this is all the links that we can have. So let's count how many links we have. Len 88 links we have, where we will have to extract the data. So before we embed another beautiful function, another function into this pre-processing class, and to get ready our data set, or creating data set for implementing in algorithm, inject in algorithm, whatever. This is not a good. Okay, this is all right. This is let's just do some basic stuff with feed parser. We will not go in that much detail, because this is not my topic today. For now, we will just limit. I have limit myself in this feed parser, so to the limit where you can understand where I need to understand for extracting information. Okay. So let's I will just extract the information from link 1, that is our index 0. So d feed parser. Okay, that is feed parser dot parse. Okay, links equal to 0. Yeah, d. That is the information that we need. So this is zigzag information, or whatever you can say, zigzag information. So here we can, I will tell you some important things. That is entries. Entry tell you entries tell you the title detail, language, links. This is the text there from where you can extract the information. Let's see, what does it mean? Oh, but this is not how we extract the information. Let me just guide you for. Okay, for item in d dot entries. All right, entries. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to, now it is the whole XML parsing. Okay, it entries, every entry could have a dictionary inside it, where it have key, and on the other side key must have information. Yeah. For making differentiation between the new iteration, let's just put this for key value in items. So print key. So you can see here it is easy to identify what are the important things that we need to extract the information from. Okay, so it is the same blog, but different author or maybe same author add the information bar. Yes, bar. Okay, I have some bugs here. All right, so okay, now if you want to create if summary in key, let's say I want to extract that information from here. Okay, print value. That is the summary information that we need. So we will always we will extract all this information from every block and save it ourselves and uniquely, and then we'll remove these tags or HTML or links and other hashtags. We do not. So that's all for now, because that's all for now, because this is how we will extract the information for our uniquely word dataset creation. So what we are going to do now, let me clear it for you. So let's say, for example, this is the block 1, this is the block 2, this is the block 3, block 4, and here is the unique words that are not repetitive: apple, fruit, blah 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 blah, and that is about 100 to 1000. We are not care about it, how many up to some limit. Okay, and here is 98 or 88 blocks. So we need to find the group. Inside the group, we now have cluster. We have to find we are going to cluster, creating a cluster. So for clustering, we need somewhere inside the logic, inside the loop, or inside our logic. On the basis of similarity, we are going to create this cluster. For example, apple is repeated is repeated 2 times in block 2, and apple is also repeated 2 times in block 4, and here is apple 2 times and 6 times. So there is some similarity. Maybe it is not repeated here, but somehow these two are more closely related to each other. If it mean it could be occupied, it could be positioned under the same cluster, because there is some similarity here. Maybe it is going to clear your mind, and maybe it may be graphically. For example, I'm just giving you an example. Let's B1 for B2. Now it's for B2 and B3. Okay, that is B2 and that is B3. Okay, it means here fruit is not repeated and here apple is repeated. So it means that he is talking about apple, but it is fruit. Okay, same is here, it is about talking about fruit. Okay, so they are here closely related, and maybe the second block also here. So there could be possibility that they are positioned or occupied under the same cluster. So that is why I'm here. I try to make it clear for you from now. So for now, we are going to create uniquely word frequencies dataset. So okay, for now, what we need. All right, maybe it was clear for you. I hope so. All right, so now we are going to read data. Okay, self my list. Okay, here we need some loops inside the loop for feed URL in my list. Okay, that will be the way where we will, let's obj read data and links feed URL. That is the links that we could extract information from here. So maybe it may be sometime we have exceptional case where the blog is not anymore existed. So for this, we will later on see how to make exceptional case in this scenario. Okay. All right, that is good. So what we need from that unique from that feed path, from that link, we need title, and what is it? Word count. Okay, so let's make it easy and clear for us. We will just extract the information, this information, by returning this information from any function. So we call it diff get word counts. All right, that is word counts. Self word count. In my list now, feed URL. Okay, so Yes. Now here is the section where we do parsing. Okay, this will return title and dictionary of word count for an RSS feed, that is URL. All right, now first thing we need is parse the feed parser. D equal to no. Please. Feed parser dot parse. Okay, feed URL. Come on, baby. Okay. Then फिर क्या करना है? Then okay, so we have said that it will be return the title in word count. So we need dictionary of word count, that is WC. Oh yeah. So if D yeah entries equal, I will not make this logic for now. Okay, for if the link is not okay, this is exception case I'm creating, but I would like, if I face this case, then we will create an exception for it. Okay, now for E in D entries, yeah, if summary in E, yeah, okay, then summary equal to E dot summary, else summary equal to E dot description. This is another, this could be also possible. We are interested, this is also kind of information about this block, description about this block. Let's see how it is working. No, do not do this for now. Why? Because it is just returning. Let's comment this for now. Okay, now just call this function. All right, and put self and feed URL, yeah, in print summary, yeah. Okay, is it working now? I know. Else is something not in the good place. Else you are not in the good place. That is information that is extracted from first or second, whatever. Okay, stop it, because we do not need it for now. Okay, this because you are just checking it, either it is putting information or not. So this is another way you can extract the information, by putting here the name, summary, and last time we have just put the values. Here is the, you can call it by names. This is another way you can use it. Okay, now let's extract the words from it. This is a summary. Now we will play with the summary and title. Oh god, extract a list of words. Oh my god, that is so dangerous. Okay, self. Okay, it is good to have, we will just extract the word, but you know that if you can see here below, this contains some unrelated things like tags, HTML, hashtag. We have to remove these dirty things. Yeah. Okay, we just create a function for it. Let's see. Let's okay. Are we doing recording or not? Oh, you are so dangerous, man. No, I'm not dangerous. Def get words, and this will be used to clear our text, to remove the unimportant things, as stop words is removed when we do pre-processing with our text, because it is losing the weightage of any document or sentence. So what will it do? It removes the tags of HTML from text. All right, that is. Now first of all, we would like to remove takes. Oh, बहादुर बच्चे. Regular expression we already imported. Compile. Okay, so that is not I'm expert in this regular expression stuff. I just do cheating. I just do cheating from somewhere. Dun, dun, dun. I will go to hell because I have did some cheating. It was R that I'm not sure what is it used for. Do this and do and plus and do and this again. If you ask me the question about this, I will never answer you because I myself also don't know. Okay. Next, what we would like to remove, split word by all non-alpha characters. Regular expression used for removing all non-alpha means all character without special character without ABC वगैरह. What's equal to read.compile? Yeah, it is easy. Come on, where are you? I do not have light in my keyboard, so that's why I'm finding it. Z, A from A to Z, and then from small a to, where are you? To Z, yeah, excluding this. That is excluding. Plus 2, yeah, remove this. Dot split, again, txt. The text that already have removed their HTML. Oh, Lalita, yeah. And now we have removed the special character HTML tags and special character. Now convert to lower cases. Wow, I am so genius. Oh my god. Now this is the list where we just convert every single word. Lower for word in word. Word. If word is not equal to 10. Okay.